Hi everyone, I am back with another video. So how did your aloe oil turn out? If you watched my other video, I showed you exactly how to make it, and I'm going to show you how I use it, okay? But I don't know about you, but my hair gets very dry in the winter, and so I'm using my oils on my scalp. I use different oils, but I've been using my avocado oil quite a bit, like daily, on my scalp and on my skin, and my daughter as well. And her skin has been glowing. So if you haven't seen the video, I would encourage you to go take a look and try it out. See how you and your family like the aloe oil. But I'm so excited because I actually made this. This is an old olive oil container, and I like to recycle the containers because they're dark, and this is a nice size. It's actually 8.4 floral ounces. So when I made my oil, I just transferred it. I transferred it to this container here, and I just keep it in a cool, dark spot. I also put it in a smaller container, and I use this every single day. If you want to get fancy with the dropper, with the glass droppers, I have those too, but I just find, just because this is one piece, it's really convenient for me to use. But I do use the other one as well, but I use this type of the cap, just it's like one piece and it just opens, screws shut. I prefer to use this. So this is how I use it. You want to get that? I know. Oh yeah, my family. Ask who it is. Ask who it is. But this is how I use it on my scalp, and I just wanted to explain something about. Hey, I'm doing a video. Hey, I just wanted to explain how I manage my hair and how I use this oil. But first, I'm going to show you how I use the oil. Okay. So I don't actually touch the dropper to my scalp, just to keep it from getting contaminated, because my scalp and my hair actually needs washing right now. And so I just put it on my fingertips like this, and I just apply it to my scalp with my fingertips. I'll turn around so that you can see, and I just again just put it on my fingertips like this, like that, and then just add it, you know, just like that. And I find it so soothing on my scalp. I have an extremely sensitive scalp. I can't just use regular products, especially because I don't know what's in them. But I'm very, very sensitive to ingredients that are not natural. I'm very sensitive to that. The alcohols and the parabens and whatever else is in there. I'm extremely sensitive to that. My scalp will flake and burn. But this just feels really, really good. Just two ingredients, aloe and avocado oil. And the aloe is just infused so nicely into the oil, and it really just heals my scalp and soothes my scalp. So I have zero scalp irritation, and my hair has been in braids for about I'd say two months. And I have no scalp issues. It's a little dirty now because the dust and everything like that gets in my hair, but I don't have any itching. I don't have any burning. I might have a little bit of flakes, but that's just because your skin even on your scalp sheds, and I really do need to wash my hair. But I contrast what I went through when I was relaxing my hair. I'd have to wash my hair. I mentioned in a video every 3 days, just really struggling to help my scalp to feel good. But my scalp was always burning, and it always felt dirty, because there was the relaxer was really interacting with my scalp. I had always thought that it was my own chemistry, but it was not. It was a scalp. And I know that because now that I'm natural, I just don't have that issue anymore um, with my scalp burning and excessive flaking and irritation. I just do not have that issue anymore. So, but if you feel comfortable washing your hair weekly or twice a month, you know, go ahead and do that. But I've actually been so busy, I haven't really gotten around to my hair. And I'm going to insert a video that shows the new growth. And it kind of reminded me of when I was relaxing. Every 6 weeks I'd have, like, you know, this much or so of new growth. And so I just, that's sort of like what I had now. And I could see that, you know, your scalp makes the sebum, and it makes like its own it's like a waxy kind of substance to coat your hair. But with curly hair, it gets stuck in the curls. So I'm going to insert the video to show like what I do to prep my hair, I guess you can say. Before I wash my hair, I actually just redid the braids, so that when I wash it, I could just wash it. I don't have to detangle. I don't have to really do anything else because it's already been done. It's just so much easier and so much quicker. And I find that that technique helps me to retain my length because um, I'm not trying to separate my hair when it's number one wet and when it's coiliest, but I'm actually prepping my hair and removing the hair that has naturally finished its cycle. I'm doing all of that while my hair is already stretched. Okay, so let me show you what my hair looks like. Okay, I'm just about finished oiling, but I like a lot of oil, and I put the oils all over my hair and on the ends too. But you know, you put what you know how much you would like. But this is what I do. Oh, and one more thing. This is a very lightweight oil. I have other oils that I mix that are and that I like. They're like heavier oils, but this one is lightweight. That's why I apply it pretty much every day, daily. Okay, so let me show you what my hair looks like, what my scalp looks like. If you see a flake or two, just ignore that. My hair, I'll be washing my hair soon, but I just wanted to show you how it looks and the growth. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, and again, I really hope that you guys can try this, the aloe oil out for yourself, because my scalp feels so good. My scalp feels so, the only word I could think of right now to say is happy. And I feel happy because I know what I went through for a long time while I was relaxing. I know what I went through with my scalp. This for me, and could be for you too, but this for me truly is life changing. You know, just having something to heal my scalp. So that's it for today's video. Again, if you haven't made your aloe and avocado oil, highly recommend that you do so and try it on your scalp. It's very gentle. It's good for people with chemical sensitivities, children. And you can also, it's so versatile. You could, as I mentioned, you could use it on your skin as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.